Attention. Tonight's supper will be baked beans, musical program to follow. Who wrote this?
You have disturbed the dirt.
Pardon me?
You disturbed the dirt! Dirt from around the globe spanning the centuries. What have you done? England must never merge with France.
What's it doing in my bed?
You ask too many questions. Who are you? Who sent you? Speak up.
Me?
I will know soon enough.
Hey, let go!
Don't let me such a crybaby. Hold still. There you are. Now tell me your story, my little friend. Parchment fiber from the Nile Delta, circa 500 BC, lead pencil number 2, paint flakes of a type used in government buildings. You have a cat, short-haired Persian, 2 years old, third and a litter of 7. These are all the microscopic fingerprints of the map maker. And linguist.
Hey, how did...
This is an outrage! You must leave at once! Out!
Uh-oh. Sat in the dirt, didn't you? Moliere, now what have I told you about playing nice with the other kids? Get back. I've got soap, and I'm not afraid to use it. Back, foul creature. Back to the pit from whence you came. Name's Sweet. Joshua Sweet. Medical officer.
Yeah, Milo Thatch.
Milo Thatch. You're on 3 o'clock. Well, no time like the present.
Oh, boy.
Nice, isn't it? The catalog says that this little beauty can saw through a femur in 28 seconds. I'm betting I can cut that time in half. Now, stick out your tongue and say, ah.
Oh, no, really, I have
So, where you from? Really? I have family up that way. Beautiful country up there. You do any fishing?
Oh.
Me? I hate fishing. I hate fish. Hate the taste, hate the smell, and hate all them little bones. Here, I'm gonna need you to fill these up.
With what?
Will Milo Thatch please report to the bridge?
Thank you. I mean, nice meeting you.
Uh-huh. Nice meeting you, too.